Bernie, you think you're going to recognise your brother? Your brother is coming to visit you tomorrow. Yeah?
Presumably their scent stays the same.
I don't know what the hell their sense. I have no idea. But they were together for 8 months.
Yeah.
So I presume, I mean, he's got a pretty good memory for even people that he's met not that much.
Yeah.
So I would think that someone he spent his formative first few months of his life with is quite important. So let's see. Yeah, it's very exciting. I know. It's very exciting. I think he's definitely different to how he was normally.
He's wagging his tail.
Yes. Oh, it's coming. Yeah.
That's your brother! Hello! Hello! You remember each other?
Bernard.
Come on now. Cute boys. Cute boys.
Oh, really cute.
Cute boys.
Aren't you gorgeous?
Cute boys.
I know.
Both be the same
size.
Yeah,
The same size as it
But
is,
Wilson
like, different.
is really quite a good boy. Good boy.
So they want to play, I think, don't they?
Yeah.
I think so. Shall we go over in a moment and then
Yeah.
just
Let me
the-
put that collar on for you, Wills.
the
You
one
don't need
thing
territory.
before you let him off, I have to show you how the fence is not completely intact, and I don't know whether he'll go out or do anything, whatever. But Bernie is totally good. I mean, he just totally comes back when we call him, and he doesn't like us to go away either.
He doesn't like being out of sight of us.
Yeah, he's funny.
If we split up when we're walking, if one walks ahead, he gets really unsettled. He's sort of going backwards and forwards, trying to.
Where we have the hedgerows,
These two dudes just want to play.
Wilson terrified us because after we first brought.
Fade EE signal. And otherwise it's just hopeless.
Come on, good boy.
Benny.
Oh, there's also you get foxes and all sorts of things here. And the hunt came through here the other day.
No, don't roll, you little what.
Oh, he can roll. It's not dirty.
No.
It's just sand.
He is going to get a wash at the end of today.
I wasn't here, but a load of hounds came through the other day.
He's located on the top too.
Yeah, there was last year one day I knew they were around and I took Bernie up the top there, up that way, and I could hear them and it just sounded like they were killing something. It was horrible, the horses got all upset, Bernie got upset. It was a most dreadful noise.
Come on, Wilson, show some interest.
He says, I am interested, just not in the dog.
Finally, Bernie's actually coming to and actually showing some. No, Wilson's interested and he's eating grass.
They want to play, don't they? Have like little fits and starts, I think, both of them.
So Bernie's already been for a walk today.
So is Wilson, yeah.
We took Wilson out so he'd be calmer when he came out here, because otherwise he's like wound up with that walk, you know, he's just dying to get out. So we went to feed Toes, one of our neighbours' horses. thank you so much for getting in touch. This is just amazing.
Well, it was really frustrating because
He's been charging around. Now they're just like kind of just showing off. But he's been charging around this arena. Yes. Yeah.
Oh. So Tanya was saying that you
lovely.
used to work in Saudi?
This
Yeah,
is
yeah.
That's Mike.
yeah, British
This is
Aerospace
Freddie.
Ah.
and BA Systems.
Yeah.
And
I wondered if
that's
it was
Freddie's
engineering.
hospital number.
Well, it was aviation medicine.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Go on.
40 minutes from where we
When
live.
I think it was back in the 70s when they sold them the Lightnings, their first.
But Wilson has been
Aircraft,
charging
the Air
around. So
Force.
see the bank at
Someone
the
had the
end
presence
that
of
you
mind
shouldn't
to
go on.
say,
He's already
when you're going to
got
need an
started off
aeromedical
that.
centre, you're going to need physiological training.
Yeah.
And they sold
Look,
them
look, 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 look,
exactly
look,
the same
look,
as the
look,
RAF
look.
do for their crew.
Careful when
And
you
so
go.
that's what we were doing. And we had a chamber and attitude chamber, disorientation.